Well, hi everyone, a warm welcome back to the channel.
Hello.
I think we're going to get away now.
I think we are, yeah. Hail, rain or shine, we'll go.
So in this video, we're going to get this caravan packed, ready to go, and then we're out of here.
We're off, yeah. Okay, Dave, let's make the bed.
Right. Say something, I think I've done a good job on that bed. Yeah, looking alright. Very nice. It's very comfortable, this bed, isn't it?
Yeah, it's good.
We bought a new mattress, as you probably know if you're a regular, you'll have seen that. And we also have a little mattress topper, which we find works really well underneath the mattress rather than on top of it, don't we?
We already had it, so we didn't want to bin it, did we?
Yeah.
Right, what we got going on here then, Dave?
Oh, well, just a little something I've been and bought. I thought this might come in handy because we're going to a couple of rallies this year, aren't we, and festivals, yeah. So you can't go to a rally or a festival without one of them great big flagpoles, so I've been and bought us one. Are you happy?
Oh yeah.
You say it like you mean it. I don't know how it works though, so I'm just going to give it a little test. Look, I've got a little bracket that I bought, see that in the ground, and I think that this is telescopic, it just opens up like that. Oh, I've ordered something else as well.
You have?
I've ordered a caravantastic flag. You don't mind, do you?
No. Only if I can have them GHD straighteners.
No, they're £300. What the hell do you want them for? You got some straighteners?
Well, because we've now put in some new lights and they can charge up with a.
I'm paying £300 for straighteners.
Well, they might last a while.
So I've got this. It's called a basket spinner, right? And as I said, I've never done this before, so this is all a bit new to me.
Oh, it's a big one, isn't it?
Alright. So that goes on the end of my pole. Go where, missus. That just clips on the end of here. Somehow. Hang on. Don't go away. Like that, look. And then there's my pole. Fully extended. Look at the size of that. And that just slots in the ground. As it would do. They'll know when we've arrived.
Yeah, they certainly will.
So what do you think of that?
Yep.
Yep, what?
Good.
What are you doing now?
So part of getting ready, for me anyway, this is what we do with a caravan, is just to make sure we've got a few things in the van, rather than have to run to shops when you get there. Like shower gels, just make sure you've got enough. So I always get another couple, replace them. Shampoo and conditioner as well, I'll top it up from the house ones. Make sure there's enough toilet roll in. No. Right. And also we've got like a little first aid box which has got things like ibuprofen, Panadol, and all little bits and pieces in there.
The morning after the night before.
So we just top that up. We've got a small first aid kit here with plasters and things in. Should anything happen.
Yep.
Yeah.
In the event of.
So it's just filming all these things up to make sure we've got them.
And where do they live in Helen?
They actually go in the bathroom cabinet under the sink.
Oh, right.
I was just going to say I forgot about something, and that's toothpaste. But luckily I had a backup
Good girl.
in the cupboard, so we've got that.
You got enough toothbrushes there?
Oh yeah, we've got 2 normal ones, so we've got 2 battery operated ones
In case
as
the
well.
batteries go. Right.
So I think we're set. Just something I got from the lavender farm there.
Oh yeah, when we were at Sandringham.
Yeah, it
What's
just
this?
freshens up the linen. Sleep linen spray. So you just spray it all.
Very nice. Oh, it smells
Quite
nice, doesn't it? What are you doing? I've already put them on once.
I'm doing the throws properly.
I mean properly, there's nothing wrong
Well,
with them.
the thing is, I have a certain way I like to do things.
Yeah, your way or the highway.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. Oh yeah, I've got my ghost ships to put away, haven't I?
Yeah.
An essential ingredient for any trip away. Only 5? Where's the rest of them?
No idea.
I think I've got some bottles to bring in.
Right, you were very secretive this morning. What have you been up to
What do you mean?
when you went missing with the caravan?
Oh, I just took it to Martha,
Martha.
just down the road.
What for?
Well, that's the other surprise I've got for you. Have a look. Well, follow me, I'll show you. I think you'll like this, Helen.
Really?
Ta-da! What do you reckon?
Yeah.
I thought it was pretty good.
Yeah, it looks like someone's crayoned it.
I mean, crayoned it. I've had that professionally done. Paid a fortune for it. Yeah, so wherever we go now, folks, you'll know it's us, so you can give us a pip and a wave. We don't do enough waving, do we? Are you happy with that?
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
What, you don't look very surprised?
Delighted.
Ah, get on with it. I'll close the gate.
Can we put the booze away, please?
Oh yeah, crucial.
Oh yes.
What you got then?
So we bought this kettle as well, a little gas kettle that whistles. And that's for when we go to off-grid. Well, we're only going off-grid once, but...
Yeah, but we might like it, and then we might go off grid a lot.
You might, yeah.
Right, can we get these ghost ships away, please?
Yeah, and a few other things.
What you got there?
I think I've shown you these before. They're quite handy, actually.
Oh
for
yeah.
transit.
What we got? A bottle of what?
I've got a bottle of red. What it is?
I don't know what it is.
No. We've got
Looks like another bottle of Malibu, Helen.
Another bottle of Malibu, yeah.
Yeah, that's good for travelling, isn't it? Because it keeps them safe,
Yeah,
doesn't it?
it does.
We like those. I think we had something delivered in those. I can't remember what we... Oh, we ordered some glass bottles, didn't we? Water bottles.
Yeah, we did.
And when we kept them, we thought they'd be really handy.
So, do you want to give me your beer cans over?
Oh, with pleasure.
And I think I can find a little hole for them.
I should hope so. You can go in the fridge if you want.
Oh, you put them in the fridge, yeah.
Here you go then. I'll let you do that, Helen. I'll bring him over to you. Look at those little babies. 440 millilitres per can. I've got some bottles, 500ml bottles in the garage. I'm not sure I'm going to have enough here with 5. That'll last me one night.
Oh, you are?
I can't, how many days are we going for?
These are cold already because we've got a
Yeah, they're out of the fridge in the garage, aren't they?
garage.
But I think I'm going to need more than 5.
You'll have to put the fridge on, won't you?
Yeah. That's it, that's on. 3-way fridge, electric, gas, and of course while you're towing, on the battery as well.
So one thing I have noticed is we've got these are metal tea, coffee, sugar. We had some other ones, but they went a bit rusty, didn't they?
They did, yeah.
Sugar, if you keep it in here and it goes damp. So what I do is I put a little zip bag in it, and that seems to help it from going hard.
Oh yeah.
And it saves it. So I always fill up these because these are quite important, aren't they?
Yeah,
Tea,
very
coffee,
important.
sugar.
Yeah.
So they all get filled up as well. So I'm just filling up the tea because Dave drinks quite a lot,
What do you mean?
more than I do. I'm not that keen. I like cold drinks.
Yeah, I'm more the hot drink person, aren't I? Unless it's alcohol, of course. Gotta get me some ghost ships in, Helen.
So that'll do that one. What we have here is coffee bags. So we use coffee bags. We've got coffee bags in here, and it saves using a percolator.
Yeah.
And also these are Dave's favourites, and these are from Lidl.
Yeah, these are the mockers, aren't they?
Yeah.
89p for a box of 8 of them. I think that's good value, which is 10p a cup. And they taste really good.
So, just take the front bit of that. So I'm filling up shug. That's it.
Right, there's tons of sugar in there. You doing bacon while you're away?
No. So, that's them done. All filled. We've also got another few things in here, like Ovaltine and hot chocolate and a bit of a kitchen roll. That's quite handy.
Yeah. Salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper pots. Vinegar. We've got a vinegar.
For when we have fish and chips.
Brown sauce.
For when we have fish and chips.
No, we're not having fish and chips this time.
We are.
We're not. We're having Gusto.
Oh yeah, you're having a Gusto box delivered, aren't you?
Yeah.
More about that when we actually get there, wherever we're going. We don't even know where we're going yet. We've got a good idea, haven't we?
Fair idea, yeah.
Well, we'll do the big reveal on that later.
One more thing, I forgot. We've bought for the off-gridding session. We've bought a little tiny weenie.
What is this?
Hairdryer. Which we have a plug here for, haven't we?
Yeah, we've got a 12 volt at the front and the back, haven't we? Wait till the red lights come on.
Yeah.
Does that feel?
Don't blame me.
Come on, put it on full.
It's blown up.
It's not plugged in properly. Yes, it is.
It stopped when I was doing it.
Have we blown the fuse? Hang on. Let's see if we've blown a fuse first. Right, can we do a take 2 on this hairdryer, Helen?
Right.
Because you know what happened last time you plugged it in, don't you?
Yeah, it's quite funny, isn't it?
No, it blew a fuse. Took me ages to find it.
So we'll try again then. We haven't done it, you know, since the last time. So we'll put it in. The red light's on, that's a good sign.
Yeah.
So this little hairdryer's got a 1 and a 2. If I start off on 1.
So it feel? Does it get warm?
No, that's cool. If you want warm, you go to 2. Oh no, you don't. That's even...
It's on warm now, but it's gone slower.
Yeah.
You don't know how it works,
Oh
do you?
no.
No, it's on. It's not very happy though, is
There's
it?
something wrong with the battery, I think.
Try that again, Hal.
Well, you can see the lights flashing, can't you?
I can't see a light now.
There's the light.
Is it on?
Which would suggest there's not a lot of power coming to it.
Oh, there's a fault here. Let's try it in this one over here. Just out of curiosity.
Hi, Babsy.
No, it's not odd at all on there. I think it's blown the fuse again. Okay, here we go. Take 3. This is 2 fuses later. I put a slightly bigger fuse in. Now I'm a bit concerned about that. So what I would say is, all you experts, and I'm not being facetious when you say that, because I really don't know. I've put, it was a 10 fuse. I've put a 15 in there now, which is bigger. And but I don't know if that's the right thing to do or not. But let's just see if this works.
So I won't get blown up then?
No, I don't think so.
Oh.
No.
No, David.
Oh, I do have a joke.
Ah,
Right.
it's quite bright now.
Oh. Right.
Okay.
Try it on number 1. Try number 2. Number 2. So 2 is a slower one, the warmer one. I see what it does. So you want the heat, you don't get it quite so hot. But if you want a bit of thing, it's working now, isn't it?
Yeah.
So maybe the fuse that was in there was the wrong size in the first place.
That's better.
Okay, we're in business. So we bought this little CCTV for the caravan. It's actually our little dog sitting camera, isn't it, Hel?
Yeah.
And here she is. Sometimes you don't want to go out, and sometimes, well, we want to go for a drink and she's not allowed in the bar. So she's really happy in the caravan. And of course we wouldn't leave her if we wouldn't, you know, if it was too hot or anything like that. So what we've got is this little dog sitter, the camera for the caravan. So how does it work, Helen?
Is it Aseo? Aseo.
The Aseo app, yeah.
Yeah, so you push the app, download the app, push the app. We put it under Bella. Push Bella.
Yeah. Oh, right. And there it is
And there
now.
we are.
Hold it to the camera. Let's have a look. Oh, I see. That's now filming us.
And there she is.
Filming Bella. Let's see if we can get it to go onto Bella then. Can you work it? Can you make it spin around?
No.
Well, I'll do it. If you hold the camera. So basically, what you do is you just scroll. Is she actually in there? Oh, I've scrolled the wrong way. Hang on. Let's go the other way. There she is. So we can keep our little eye on her. Our little beady eyes on Bella. Oh, too far again. It's quite sensitive. She's looking at the camera, look. Oh. Oh, that's up the way.
Oh, come on, Dave, get it right.
I'm doing my best. Leave me. Oh, she's laid down there. She's out of our field of view. We have to move that camera somewhere else.
Right.
So I think we're just about ready, are we?
Yeah, we've just got the food to put in and a few clothes. I've actually ordered a Gusto box with 4 meals in for us to take with us. So we'll show you what you get in them boxes.
Are you doing cooking while we go away?
I am doing cooking.
Shock, horror. So, where are we going?
Well, you'll have to watch the next video and see, won't you?
Oh. Find out in the next video then. If you have been, thanks for watching. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment. We answer a lot, don't we?
Yeah.
And we'll catch you in the next one.
See you soon.
Bye for now.
Bye.